I'm going to do a quick video. I just got this plugin, so I want to cook up with it. Midi. We're going to make this beat really quick as well. Well, quick for me, because I make beats pretty slow, but I'm going to do my best to make it as quick as possible. I'm going to grab one of these, but I'm just going to steal the chords. Maybe I'll go that one. Let's just not think about this. So we're in A minor. Go bada bing, bada boom. As you can tell, it's very analog. This is what it looks like. What should I go with? I'm gonna go. I just want some like basic keys. Something like that. Then we're just gonna break these chords. I kind of only need this. That's all we need, just that. Because basically now we just build the chords if we want. So that's a 7th chord. You probably already know this, but whatever. Alright, I'm going to have that basic pattern running throughout. Grab another instance, maybe like a pad or a string or something. In case you didn't notice, it may look slightly different. We're running, this is Ableton 12.2, so there's a few decent upgrades in here. I've been using this auto filter, which has a whole new set of cool features. This is probably like one of the biggest like significant upgrades of Ableton 12.2. And you know how when I resample, I love to use these filters. This is basically using the filter without the resampling method, so you can use it on the MIDI without like committing to audio, which is really cool. If I play this back, auto filter never used to have a spectrum visualizer. That's a new feature. What's really helpful about like visually being able to see something, you can kind of understand more about what's going on. Like obviously you should use your ear to decide what sounds good, but having a visual aid, that's the word I was looking for, can help you understand the plugin deeper and what each of the parameters are doing. And then, you know, you can execute your ideas better because you'll be able to connect the dots easier. So, for instance, I'll just show you, if we play this back and I create like an envelope, we can now see what the envelope's doing. If I change the... So yeah, anyway, there's that, which is really helpful. We now have this drive, which I used heaps in the sampler, so it's really cool that this is a feature, and it has like these, I think they're like circuitry filters, so they're like modeled after like analog circuitry. So we've got some different shapes. So you can see when I change it, you get a slightly different shape, like around where the resonance is. So yeah, we've got those added in, and it does significantly affect the sound. Then we also have this drive, which is really cool. And we have a built-in soft clipper now. Oh, and this is a huge one. We've got the dry wet as well now. A few videos back, you may have seen, I was trying to literally work around this because there was never used to be like a mix knob on here. So I had to like group it, make a double channel, turn one off, and then like mix these in parallel, which is fine, but it's just like, if we just reverse all of those, that's fine, but this is just so much easier. Like it's so many less steps. So yeah. And then this is a new feature that is actually huge. For me, this shortcut is Control B on a MIDI clip, and it's just going to bounce it and flatten it, and that's just saved so many steps and time, so much time. So now I can just flip this so very easily.
Two 2,000 years later.
Thanks so much for watching. Just a quick one today. I'll see you in the next one.